Want to know if a new pest control product will outperform Raid over the long term for persistent infestations? Start by reading the active ingredients on the label and compare them to those in Raid to see if you are getting a different mode of action. Look for longer residual activity described on the label and note whether the product is formulated for indoor use, outdoor use, or both because exposure and breakdown differ by environment. Research independent product testing from university extensions, consumer reports, or peer-reviewed journals and focus on field trials rather than only laboratory knockdown numbers, since real-world persistence is what matters. Check for products that include repellent properties or growth regulators as part of an integrated approach because killing adults alone often fails to prevent reinfestation. Pay attention to application method and dose rates and match them to the infestation location. For example, a crack and crevice injection will perform differently than a surface spray. Finally, get a professional recommendation from a licensed pest control operator who can interpret label claims, local pest resistance patterns, and the product reapplication interval to give practical guidance for long-term control. Common mistakes include assuming a stronger smell means it is more effective, which is false and leads to unnecessary exposure, so read ingredient and residual claims instead. Another error is relying on a single application when many formulations require follow-up treatments or habitat modification, so schedule repeat applications and remove food and moisture sources. People also mix products or apply new chemistries over old ones without checking compatibility and label directions, which can reduce effectiveness or create hazards, so avoid combining treatments and follow label instructions exactly or consult a professional. We operate BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange real-world experiences about products, techniques, and results.